Hey guys, it's Tripp here, Everett Chevrolet, coming at you again with another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be going over the climate control in your vehicle. With most of the newer vehicles, you do have a dual zone climate control, which basically is going to mean that you have different climates for the driver and the passenger. Of course, when you're changing the driver's side climate, as long as your vehicle is synced, as far as meaning that both climate zones are the same, you can change both sides using the driver's side control. As soon as you change the passenger control, it's going to unsynchronize it, and it's going to give you two different climates for the driver and passenger. Of course, you have the buttons here for your fan speeds. You have heated and cooling seats for both the driver and passenger. You've also got your max defrost, which controls your front, and you have your rear defrost, which controls the back. Not only can you control your climate down here, but you can also control it on screen. When you look on screen, you have three different vents. You have your windshield vent, your face vent, and your floor vent. And as you can see, you can use all three of them at the same time, or you can do a combination of the three. The only buttons that aren't going to show on screen are going to be your max defrost and your rear defrost, but of course you'll be able to use those down here. But of course, if you have any questions or concerns about anything, you can always give us a call here at the dealership. Our number here is 828-327-9171, or you can stop by either dealership, the one in Morganton or the one here in Hickory.